Maloyo jogo abal 200 nopiem e tugo mar odiechieng' achiel mong'ere kaka Master Swimming Gala mar jotugo ma hikgi ohewo 25. Jogo abal nyaka ma johigni 72 noyuoro e piem makamano. Tukego notimore Posta House School e kaunti ma Kiambu. Jo-abal ma johigni 72 Shikish Shah mawuok Parkland Sports Club nobedo jaloch e mita 50 freestyle ka noluwe gi Paul Kimani mar United Swimming Club, ka jo-abal ma johigni 35 Jacqueline Masharia mawuok Harpoon Swimming Club bende noloyo e mita 100 backstroke.
This is the first time that there was a cap on the number of events that we are doing as masters to ensure that all of us, when we are swimming, we pick out the events that we're doing the best of our ability.
I love swimming. Swimming has been one of the best things that's ever happened to me. I had a very bad back problem. Swimming helped me get rid of it altogether. I've had problems with my elbow, and that also helped. But the gala here has been organized beautifully, and I would like to say so well. It's nice to see so many people taking part.
Team Newcastle United